Hi, I'm Mike Foley with the Esri Utility Team. I wanted to take a few minutes today to talk to you about the 2020 Esri IMGIS conference. It's the world's largest GIS conference focused entirely on infrastructure organizations. And it's happening this year, October 27th through the 30th, virtually. And it's free to existing Esri customers. Earlier in the year, you may have heard that GeoConnects had been canceled or postponed. That's not the case. We've taken this opportunity to bring the GeoConnects community into a broader infrastructure management focused conference aligned with other industry sectors that utilize ArcGIS to underpin their business and manage their critical systems. That includes water, the GeoConnects community, utilities, AEC, transportation, and pipeline. It creates a great opportunity to create a cross collaboration focused entirely on the work you do with ArcGIS. Now, one interesting challenge that arose from this was unable to create a conference that was valuable to you, was to provide focused tracks for each sector. And to do that, we expanded this conference to 4 days. Now, the 4-day virtual conference includes an expo and conference networking access, along with specific content in manageable bites that you can schedule around your working schedule or decide times that you want to come in and view on-demand sessions. And we're hoping that having Jack Dangerman there to deliver both the main plenary and the executive leadership forum will align you directly to IMGIS and what it means to be part of the global infrastructure management community, and also deliver focused keynotes around your specific sector: GeoConnects community, water, AEC, and transportation. And with those specific keynotes is a focused conference track that includes live or on-demand user experience papers from your peers, Esri technical workshops, our partner exhibits, and Esri exhibits, along with some specific partner spotlights and partner sessions. And that idea of collaboration that we're bringing forward here in roundtables and special interest groups focused entirely on the work you do. And one great element that's moved forward from GeoConnects into IMGIS is the opportunity to schedule one-on-one meetings with Esri professional services and our educational services or training team. I think a good foot-stopping moment when we talked about Jack being able to provide the plenary and the executive leadership forum is the executive leadership forum itself. It's a 1-hour session, which promises to be a really engaging conversation where Jack and the leader of these cross-sector industries talk about the challenges and opportunities they had from building dynamic infrastructure with ArcGIS. Everyone's invited to listen and get to be a fly on the wall. And this should be a great opportunity for you to learn about the strategy and the way they're moving forward in the future with GIS. Industry keynotes and building out the content for your tracks are important. And as we mentioned, they're available for each one of the tracks involved in IMGIS. For you to align not only to what we see coming in the future and the work you're doing now, but also to what your peers are doing through on-demand paper sessions and the live Q&A paper sessions, along with technical workshops provided by Esri and some of our partners around the solutions or products that you're using to do your daily job. The Expo will be available the entire week, and this is a great opportunity for you to come investigate and understand some of our ArcGIS products, speak with your account team or our solutions team, and some of our product teams, as well as visit the partners that are building and deploying solutions on ArcGIS technology that underpin your business. Our professional services team will be there to schedule one-on-one meetings for 45 minutes to an hour, where you can take advantage of understanding how the utility network implements, look at your data, assess the architecture maturity that you're working with, and potentially meet with educational services to build a workforce development plan that can help you train your staff to reach those GIS goals in the future. From a takeaway perspective, it's important to understand registration is free to our current customers. And also that GeoConnects has not been canceled. It's been brought into this great cross-sector event to enhance the community. Alignment will be provided by Jack in the terms of the executive leadership forum and the plenary that will be delivered on day one. Industry keynotes, along with customer paper sessions and technical sessions, will be delivered specifically to your industry sector. And the conference agenda is built around accessible, digestible blocks of time for you to engage in on-demand sessions or schedule some time out to join some of the live sessions. As always, like we did in the UC, we'll have a virtual partner expo and an Esri expo where you can come and communicate with us about the challenges you're having or the work you'd like to do. And we hope you take advantage of the community. Register and get involved with a special interest group or join a roundtable to have focused discussions on challenges that you're seeing or problems you'd like to solve. Now, one key thing we need to discuss, all IMGIS content, and by content, I mean the conference experience, is available only during the week of the event. So 10/26 through 10/30. So how do I get involved? Well, the first step's simple, register. We provided the link here and give you an opportunity to review the conference agenda. At that point, you can start planning your virtual IMGIS experience. And if you run into any challenges doing that, reach out to your account team, contact your account manager. We'll be happy to help you. And at that point, you can prepare to share in the largest global infrastructure management conference. I really appreciate your time today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the 2020 Esri IMGIS conference.